Hey guys, BoHD here, and as you all know by now, the HTC One has completely revolutionized the smartphone industry with the introduction of its front-facing BoomSound stereo speakers that beams high-quality audio directly to your face. Well, it's been a year since the original one was first announced, and now we've got the latest and greatest HTC One M8, which continues the trend of front-facing speakers. So for this video, I want to play a variety of clips that will give you an idea of what these speakers sound like and how they compare to the speakers of other devices. Now, just to give you a little warning, there's no way you can truly judge the quality of sound these speakers produce unless you hear it in person, so I ultimately recommend you go to your local tech store and listen to one of these demo units of the M8 if you can, but in the meantime, I'll try and do my best to help you get an idea of what these speakers sound like. So without further ado, here's what the BoomSound stereo speakers sound like as it is being recorded by the Yeti microphone. Alright, now just to give you an idea of what the competition sounds like, here is the same audio being played from the LG G2. And now from the popular Nexus 7. And then once again, the HTC One M8. So as you can see, there's really no comparison. The BoomSound speakers are much louder and offer a much higher quality sound with a much deeper bass, something that smartphone and tablet speakers have always had a problem with. Now, like I said earlier, if you can, I recommend you try and listen to these speakers in person, especially if you're not quite convinced by how these speakers sound in this video. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask away down below in the comments section, and I'll do my best to answer you. And if you're new to my channel and would like to see more HTC One M8 coverage along with a ton of other tech content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below. But with that said, that's going to about do it for this video, guys. If you want to take a look at my in-depth camera demo of the M8, you can do so right down below, or you can take a look at my unboxing and first look at the HTC One M8 if that's something you'd be interested in. But as always, guys, I'm BoHD from How To and More. Thanks for watching.